for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, CD player, compass, security alarm, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.